Hey everybody, it's Neil. And check out what I have here. I have this COB LED light strip by PAUTIX, and I'm going to show you guys what this is and kind of how it works, and explain it and show it, and we'll look at it. So it looks like it's got a QR code to connect it up to your phone, so you could just scan that sucker on in there and do that. Comes also with a remote, so we're going to try it with the remote way right now. So let me pull the little tab to get the battery activated, and then here we have the device. It looks like it's taped on here. Wow, how is it on? They must have used some very strong tape. I think it's like a plastic tape, but nothing defeats the Neil. Okay, so here we go. So now we have, it looks like we have a decent sized cord, and then we have the LED strip, and it looks like it's got some good 3M VHB kind of tape on the back, so you can, or not even VHB, just tape, so you can tape it to the wall or whatever. I'm just going to stick it into a battery pack due to the fact that there's no outlet nearby. And check it out. So this is what it looks like here. It is currently on, and then I can point it to the remote thing would be over here, so I can point it to the remote and get different colors like that. And then we can do certain things. I don't know what this one's going to do. So we have auto, speed, 1 hour, 2 hour, music, brightness. Let's see if I do the brightness. I guess it's getting slightly dimmer. You guys might not be able to tell, but to me I can. Oh yeah, that's way dim. And then that's way bright. Cool. And then this one here, what is this one doing? I guess this is changing the colors somewhat. Yeah, there we go. Now colors are changing. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you guys can see the colors as much. And then W, I guess that's making it more white. So we have all our different colors and everything in here. So it kind of all connects up into this little contraption here. So everything's pointing at that, I guess, whenever we make a change. But how cool is that? So it looks kind of like a neon strip. So instead of it being one of those ones where it's got all the, a million like lights every so often, this one here's got a million of them in there. So let me move you closer and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. I don't know if you can see inside of it. It's got like a whole lot of them. So up close, you can kind of see them all. And then at a distance, it just looks like a big neon strip. So if I was to hang this maybe around my TV or something like that, it would be totally clean looking one there. I think I might just kind of hang it on the wall or go around my bed or something like that with it, but it's super cool. And you can just pick the color of the day, whatever you want, and there you are. So really cool. And then, yeah, doing the little button here changes the colors. And I'm colorblind, so I don't know which colors these are, but I do see differences in color. I just don't know what the colors are. I'm guessing R is red, G is green, B is blue, Y is yellow. I don't know what C means, and P, I don't know. And then you can do speed and auto. So look at this. So then you have the ability to do this kind of stuff too, where you see it's like rotating colors. And so that's what's cool about it too. I don't know if you can see, but it is changing colors as it goes through the whole thing. Let me see if I roll this up. You can see what I'm talking about. It'll make more sense. It's hard to show at a distance here. Okay. So you can see it's working its way around. You see like it's got a bunch of different segments making it like that. So when it's all out there, it'll be different colors working its way around. So that's what that COB I think means, is it's all individually accessible sections. So you could have it be doing different things. So it's not all has to be one color. It can just be rotating colors. So super cool. I like this little light strip. So I'm gonna go set this thing up somewhere. Thumbs up, very cool.